Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Insem TVGH so wafre me Adwoa Searchim. Mr. No first time I would extra me a Mr. No subscribe me notification bell on so for more news. Tanko journalist na ode ensem bi atudwa afa Bishop Duncan Williams ensem bi ode abetudwa afa galamsey wo na menka senche ne nti ensem a Tanko de abetudwa ne ensansombra.
We fought against Nana Duncan.
Yes.
So we're failing our galamsey fight.
Thank you.
But now no dear none dear ne.
Oh yes. It's even better than these people.
No dear son none dear ne.
Thank you. Thank you.
Because every week in, week out, monthly, who said, Papa Ibabonti or announcing measures, oh yeah, the way you call her, yes, say, the zeal bit, how many times have you had John Dramani? How many times? For almost 2 years, John Dramani Mahama Bedi minus. So if men of God, yes, a moon of Kranamuka, yes, a moon say, when Yanamuka. Namu no kran namu twins train country your man penny say your excellency you are failing when it comes to the fight against galamsey now go and pray the demonic and the satanic go and listen to Archbishop
of September
my favorite man of God but you see if they fail to tell the truth we tell them the truth.
Thank you.
We are praying concerning the healing of our water bodies and the land, that our water bodies and our land will not be poisoned. Through this galamsey, something is going on which we won't recognize it today because we are operating under a veil and a spell. It's a veil and a spell of money, politics, and manipulations of fetish and
Ebusiafo ye na yate ensema Tanko ede atudwa na yes indeed His Excellency the former president Nana Danko Akufo-Addo tried his best. Menu mienu nyina di adanse se Nanado ede tudwa se owumo nkwamo obeko ede etia galamsey. Se yetna ha eka se NPP time omo anye galamsey a na menu mienu nyina ye di ntro. Ana se midi intro ye nyina ye yawe se abra NPP ewa bemu na galamsey ekoso a journalist for efa omo bottle ekose nsu ebe comparison ewo omo TV and omo radio so nti yes even though Nanado ekasa the presidency etoso no still na galamsey ekoso but you see Nanado tried every month every year bia no de ehihye egu akwam sene beya illegal mining no esu betwa kakra na yenhwe se His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ebeje akondwa from 2025-26 ayeko 27 ebusiafo da ben na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ababontin say ebia galamsey na ekoso no say na mde egu akwam anase maka ho asem anase obi etu galamsey kura na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ede no ejina embra kwanso ebi nsida emu ba kumpo enso ye wokrom ha na NDC fo mo etu galamsey abanga na ho kro enkeka ho omo asem ewo court efa galamsey ho ye hu se oman panin na obedi president o share Ghana fu nyina abose me ba fighting against galamsey no me make sure say me fight na Ghana insu ye ndua ho atomo Ghana yensase ho atone na nduane a omudua na omude nabano ebegwa so anyen timemfunu yeto yedi no yare bia mbe na yendi anyare His Excellency ehye Ghana football nenso John Dramani Mahama aba bem oko 2 years galamsey aginse meye konkra achim odan journalist fo even NDC fo ni mpanifo na bia dance say abra na NPP aban woso na achim odan galamsey enkoso enso ene nansa NPP fo etu anamon ekọ achimoda almost insu bi ehobremu achimbremu insu na ese dido me se dido kra de mfa no ho aye te se tea omo de milo 1 cup aye etu milk be 50 egum eni aye dika na yebisa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama se Ghana aye boni ben no man Ghana ye de aye no because His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Nana Danko Akufo-Addo kra ɛna obedi Ghana hwammo na Addo Danko Akufo-Addo betena so ɛna one fight against Galamsey kura me sure say na Addo wo fie ɔhwɛ nneɛma bi a anase decision bi o take whilst ano ye president na me sure say Ghana ye ma no akwanya biewa he will really fight against Galamsey say no ɔhwɛ yɛn boss or the presidency beto so. But His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, wo ye can ye because what be your president that from 2012 to 2016, abra wo predecessor president John Evans Atta Mills, enya ne baby kwa ye de Ghana share onsa. Galamsey no kun ebe ye kese ne enim say bia waje akon anase akondwa ne ye de ama wa abra wo papa ewu nti. Uni maybe I left from all right at that time, even though now 4 years. Into no this wa be fie na se wan kasa His Excellency wo share your boss say what be your president then the mistakes you would never repeat those mistakes again. And His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, with all due respect, mistakes now from 2012 to 2016 you have repeated them more than what you did from 2012 to 2016. From 2024, and I said from 2025 to 2026, 27, 28. I am sure some mistakes are over. It will be more than I said. There will be more than the now president. You too no because His Excellency never enko you. Say NDC phone into me and pemun control. No more fanfully social media. At term agenda. John Dramani Mahama de oyede in sese Ghana for quiet to neso aba youth nibi. Omo can minim send this phone mwetu omo kaso omo nye dia His Excellency. Omo down. His Excellency ye bibi na faji udin. Because what be president akwa asanso aba. O first time na enyenti ye de over 1 million votes etu. His Excellency mana Ghana dadwen enne wakoma so mana Ghana ho do enne wakoma so. Na sipi na fight Galamsey na Galamsey ni say the His Excellency. His Excellency was second coming way say Accra to Kumasi Road. Oba ya uko 2 years where you say if you want can see. His Excellency, you can do it. Una we president. Wa sure seal to it Saudi sika ma contractors ujina mo konso. An accident nipa more than 10 and ewu just a day, a minute, a second. Our besi akwa adwuma all kope bibi ne baba bedi omwewu just like that. His Excellency say NPP fumpo na se bi omudi nsem hu a wa be president akwa sanso aba into second come when ye bibi na faji wudi na ende na Addo Danko Akufo-Addo se ye boni din anya ye kai free SHS John Dramani Mahama. His Excellency wa be president from 2012 to 2016. From 2024 echo 2028 legacy ben na ye bo wudi e betimi a pinpoint tenye na Addo ye boni din yetimi de yensa etene so no. His Excellency, with all due respect, yensu na yensa say umpenifo no say yensu na yensa na epese ya kache mo say insu na ensase no they do not belong to the NDC. Never. Insu na ensase na ndua no they belong to Ghana. And kayeshemu asa natural resources no ena mutu na mudi bi ebua enipa omu eye disability enipa omu eni bi wo society ni mu nka mode boa mu nanso ndey chese beyi abronti no omu to de hwe omu mpna omu side chicks na omu mba na omu abusuafo pe no man mu agya oman na da hosa Galamsey bebreba mu to ensu sei ken say ekwan a ye fa so from Accra to Kumasi Road busy road the same of Anko barrier nipa wu akeba de sen e no man ye to Galamsey sen yentimi nyenye nkwan yabro yabre
NPP party money na hokra agro money so money na hobako sekra obi si wa yekremoni wa heda be kan kwase asem obi kasetia asumasia enye ni sei and the 3 seconds no masoma useless people like bongo ideas mu omoma church. You should be careful not to bring in a Muslim as president. Na manaso tio the money internal wranglings. Jimisa. How many Muslims are in NPP? This government in power has more Muslims than ever in the history of Ghana. So if somebody is preaching violence, who is behind?
amote ho na omo ye machinations no gumuso na motete wase mum se ayemodru amomra na mensane mo na madwen wo fom dodo kan ko akire. NDC has more Muslims than MPP. Imagine Dr. Bawumia president and see the whole nation go to Arabica. Kabeti the NDC for Becca. My namotivo. Election and starting no. Mun lusu wia mama ubia excuse. Mun think fast. Na mo ye too slow. I grow money so that. It's serious. I grow money. You are not turning the narrative against you people. But in the national demographics, there are more Muslims in NDC than in MPP. But you're turning narrative not be one person, so what about me? Also, what was why mumu on carry? Massa, and Colusu we and me blame Ubia time on any. Reason why I'm so more early Congress. For so many was serious. NDC for the near ding, but Tanaku no Sonamu to one musu. Bibi Hammer. Some here soon more, Mumram Honame Moam. Now I grow money to do. I'm serious. You'll be up a mature comment section. Me, I don't give a damn. My name is Bishop Rock. I'll speak the truth to you. We are smarter, we swear. I just ceremony so Mumran and Sanim. The moody agroded. I want the air cotiamu. Some narrative narcon. A banner or power, and will be a bold air casse, a ubi cassatia Mohammed Ayan Kuno, cause now buying our power. But I say, what position, you know, own our own woman about power. Ghana best say because when I hear money, what one of my dean. As I was some penny no so I am no so kikas and was assembly. On Cassin good. My mom rain few. The Ghana a mind near religion. Kaya religion dear kaya Christopher doors. You cry and kikasa and quasias emuno. So the Obeka said check Jesus Christ in any baby. I'm also so more job from Tim. When I'm more Muslim leader. A narrative net a calculated things I had a and the general Sofo Bisujan I saw them. Nyadi also to Obama Muslim. In Amati Namotio. Concert party people.